Hey Doc, what are you reading?
Oh, I thought you never would have asked. So I just picked up one of the most recent articles that was published. It's about alleviating post-traumatic dizziness by restoring the cervical curve. It's a really outstanding case study that was done by a colleague of mine out in Montana. And he wound up evaluating, it's a 46-year-old man who had 2-year history of dizziness and vertigo after a trauma. He tried a bunch of other therapies without success. He started to work with this doctor who wound up restoring the curves in his neck, and within 3 months the symptoms were all gone. They then followed him for another year where he was getting periodic checkups, and at a year later, still no longer had any issues of dizziness and rarely had any neck pain. This is another great case study. I'll put the link below in the bio or in the conversation about this, but another case study of how the work we do can help you if you've been suffering from dizziness, vertigo, or been having problems with neck pain.